Hello guys, so ito na nga, dumating na yung dalawa namin kasama. So this is Tita Efren's birthday. Dito kami sa Sakay. So ayun
Hindi ba kita?
Sa ko na, ito yung mga
Happy birthday sa'yo!
That's what she said. It's insecure. She goes out that door. Her heart's been broken so many times before. She's insecure, just like me before.
Tita, ihatid ka na?
Happy birthday. Please come and sing it all from here. There we go. When your love is arriving to me, lady, can't be one day following you. Gonna have a back when it's all down. It's all good when you have to remind a pop and a fool. So what about the love one? Let me back for the always attention. Say we not giving her much attention. She was there to find the invitation. I wanna show the attention, my appreciation. For your mind, my darling. Yeah.
Anong gagawin ni Jigris bukas?
Absent.
Absent. Mag-alarm daw ng? Alas 5. Anong gaalam mo po?
Balik mo na ako.
Uy, Das. Doon yan si Jimmy sa kabilang dinubuhay, yung tabing karinderya nun. Doon yung kabilang, ayun.
Hindi ko alam pa eh. Natulog yan. Natulog yan. Natulog yan.
Alam mo, budo eh.
Buhusan mo nga yan ng ano? Ng alak ng
Isa lang ang masasabi ko sa samahang to. Thank you, Tita Efren. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa bigay mo. Happy birthday. And hopefully, napasaya ka namin sa araw na to. Thank you so much.